Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just tap the open button to open the app. And after that, we could see here all of the available applications on our device, which icons we could change. For example, let's select the calculator one. We could rename it if you want. Here we get library with different folders with the icons which we could use. Also, we could use photo from the device gallery or to take a picture in camera app. Let's find one from the calculator, similar icons. Tap to OK on the right app. And after that, click to add button. So we could see that the new shortcut created successfully, so we could change next icon by the same way or to go to the desktop to check the new icon. On that is the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.